best thing about working with CONNSTEP on this project, the CICC, you may be familiar with all of the different concepts, but the big takeaway for me is working with them, they show you how you can use it in your company exactly. So a specific tailored process for you, not just something that you've read somewhere or been taught. That in itself makes the course really invaluable, I think. We're a small company. We do our own manufacturing. I think of my team as miniature project managers of every little job that comes through here. When my general manager came to me, he asked me if I'd be interested in the course. And again, thinking lean is predominantly for manufacturing and moving. I was concerned that I'd be able to come up with a topic, but right away I met with Mateen and we talked through the different options. And really we found that you can apply lean principles not only to a physical item, but to information now in the digital space as well. One of my favorite parts that I hadn't mentioned yet was the on-site classes. And it gets you off-site and it gets you out of the daily grind of whatever might be presented to you from your own company. And it puts you in a setting where you're separated and you can focus on the tasks that they're trying to teach. The mentoring was invaluable. Dealing with all of the information that we had coming in and trying to figure out what to do with it was really challenging, and that's really where Mateen shines. So his availability before class, during class, and after class, email, he even paid visits to the facility here just to review the project and help me. I think without them, I might have been stuck, but they really helped push it along. I think it really just helped company-wide everybody to be a little more efficient. I think our ability to get jobs moved through more complete and more accurate, from design concept to design to the creation of drawings and then ultimately manufacturing. I think just those upfront processes have made everybody's life in the company better. The best thing about working with CONNSTEP on this project, the CICC, was that you may be familiar with all of the different concepts, but the big takeaway for me is working with them, they show you how you can use it in your company exactly. So a specific tailored process for you, not just something that you've read somewhere or been taught. Here are your problems, here's how we can assess the problems, and these are the ways that we can reduce your problems and increase your efficiency. That in itself makes the course really invaluable, I think.